Today I'm going to be doing a Joseon Bun. I do not know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It is a Korean bun from ancient history, the Joseon period. I had never heard of this before, but when I was looking at LHC's style thesaurus, this was on there, and it had written instructions, which I was not able to understand, but when I searched YouTube, I eventually found one that matched what the written instructions were. It turns out there's a lot of things called Joseon Bun because it's that whole time period. Any kind of traditional Korean hairstyle is called that. But yeah, this is really neat. So it's going to start with a braid. I just dyed my hair yesterday and you can see a little shadow of it there. Oh. I have to scrub that with some soap. 18 years of dyeing my hair, you'd think I'd be better at it. Okay. Now we are going to fold the braid. Make sure it stays flat.
Daddy.
Here. Hi.
Hi.
Were you upstairs with Daddy? Tie it with my pro hair tie that I love. I mention these just about every time, but they're great because they have a clasp so that you're not dragging it through your hair to get it back out. Okay, that little tail sticking up is not going to matter, I'm pretty sure. Okay, now you need a ribbon or a scarf. A pretty thick ribbon or narrow scarf. Yeah, that's not going to stand up on its own, honey.
Why?
Yeah. You're going to wrap it around the top.
Yeah.
And now, the really cool part. Separate the braid, pull it up, oops, up over the ribbon, and hair stick. In, under, and out. I have this hair stick with this extra dangly thing on it, but it's not necessary. So, yeah, there we go. So it's very simple, but different. And mine is, going up it very loosely because I have so much hair. But if you have less hair, this is still going to look good on you. You can definitely do it with shorter hair, with waist length probably. And you can experiment with it even shorter than that. So yeah, that is our style for today. And as always, you can visit bit.ly, bit.ly/hairtoys, all lowercase, to see my favorite hair accessories, where to get hair sticks, pro hair ties. Whoa! Hi! All that stuff.